Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Uh, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to the Department of Textile Engineering, and I would like to congratulate the fresh candidates who have passed the examination of the entry test. I would like to welcome them to get the admission in this university, and hopefully they would get their desired field of engineering and non-engineering program. First of all, basically textiles. Uh, every human being uses textiles on its daily basis to cover themselves, and as far as Pakistan is concerned, textile is one of the most important field of this country, because 67% of the total export revenue comes from the field of textiles. 46% of the total manufacturing involves textiles. 38% of the employment of the total people of Pakistan is also related with textiles. 11% of total GDP, and investment of total 31% of the total investments done in the country are related to textiles. So this is basically, you have a market capitalization of about 8%, and this industry pays 4.5 billion rupees of taxes, and they are also paying the wages of around 44 billion rupees. So basically this industry is the most important industry in Pakistan, and we certainly require professional human resource in this area. If we talk about the department, this department, in order to start provide reliable human resource to the industry, uh, this department was established in 1996, and we started with the first batch of 35 students. These students graduated in March 2001. To date, more than 1,000 students have been graduated in the field of textile engineering, and about 300 students have been graduated in the field of textile sciences. We basically offer a current enrollment year of 70 students for engineering and 70 students for textile sciences. So a total strength of 140 students batch. Basically, our mission and mission is to produce textile engineers known for their technical excellence, leadership qualities, and ethical values, so they may contribute profoundly towards the society and towards the profession. And our mission is to provide comprehensive knowledge in the textile engineering disciplines through a well designed curricula, while teaching them professional and ethical values, so these graduates will be capable of fulfilling the needs of the industry and the society. So basically, we want to produce engineers who can take the responsibility of the society as well, and they become good engineers as well as good professionals, so to help to develop the society. Basically, if we talk about textiles, you can relate yourself with every field of the world. With the inception of technical textiles in the world, you produce textiles which have a lot of functional values. So for example, you wanted to become a doctor, you can use the field of medical textiles. You can produce textiles which could be used in the field of medicine. If you wanted to become a civil engineer, you can produce geotextiles which will be used in different construction projects. You can also have non-wovens. You can also go into denim industry. You can also manufacture composites, protective textiles. So basically, textiles is a whole horizon of all the fields, covering from geotextiles to smart textiles. So basically, you have the opportunity to use your capabilities in different areas other than conventional textiles, which are basically towel, garments, and other common. Basically, we talk about academic programs. In the academic case of academic programs, our department offers the following academic programs. We do offer two bachelor's programs. One is textile science and one is textile engineering. The textile engineering program started in 1996. However, the textile science program started in 2015. When we had some interaction with the industries, we found out that the students being graduated from the department, there is a higher demand for more graduates. So therefore we started this program of textile sciences, which is a non-engineering program. Apart from these two bachelor's program, we also offer a master's program in the field of textile engineering, that is M engineering. We also offer a program of masters in engineering management and textile management. We also offer a program of Master of Science in Textile Management, and finally we also offer a program of Textile Engineering, PhD in Textile Engineering. So this is basically a research intensive entity. Textile Engineering Department is committed to research that is world leading in terms of originality, distinctiveness, significance, and rigor. Basically, if we talk about the faculty of the department, it is comprising of 22 faculty members, out of which 16 faculty members have got PhD in different fields of textiles, and most of the faculty members are experts in different conventional, non-conventional areas of textiles. We talk about the faculty. My name is Professor Dr. Shiraz Hussain Siddiq, working as a chairman of the department as well. Alongside with me, there's Professor Dr. Bilal Zahid, who has these expertise. Professor Dr. Muhammad Dawood Hussain, Dr. Salma Farooq, Dr. Ali Hassan Mahmood, Dr. Faria Asim, Dr. Muhammad Ali, Dr. Muhammad Awais Raza Siddiqui, Dr. Saira Faisal, Dr. Shanila Naqvi, Dr. Kuratulain Muhtashim, Dr. Dida, Dr. Muhammad Amir Qureshi, Dr. Farhana Naeem, Dr. Sabeen Jahzeb, Miss Tahreem Beg, Miss Sahrish Naveed, Mr. Daniel Rashid, Miss Maha Farooq, and Miss Sara Javed. Most of the textile graduates who have done their PhD, they are experts in their specific areas. We do cover all kinds of technical textiles, conventional textiles, non-conventional textiles. Every field is being covered by our experts. So we do have active publications. We do publish around 15 to 20 international research papers every year, and also we have got some fundings like NRPU, like fundings from HSC and PSF, and also we provide industrial consultancy to the industries. If you talk about the curriculum, because curriculum is considered as the backbone of any program, so as far as the curriculum of textile engineering is concerned, we offer some engineering courses like thermodynamics, electrical technology, computer programming, and we offer some general courses like applied economics for engineers and all these things. Similarly, for other than textile, we also other than non-textile courses, we also offer textile courses such as textile chemistry, textile yarn manufacturing, chemical processes, finishing, and all these things. So we do offer courses related to journal engineering, courses related to textile engineering, courses related to non-textile engineering like journal management courses and all these things. So these both programs are a combination of all these. If we talk about the laboratories, we have a series of laboratories like textile chemistry, textile yarn manufacturing lab, fabric manufacturing lab, dyeing and finishing lab, fabric testing lab, fiber and yarn testing lab, and then you have also got computation and design lab. As far as the laboratories is concerned, there's a general perception that what we teach in the department, we teach in the department all the technologies which are related to we want to convert a fiber into a yarn into a fabric needs to be processed, and that fabric, processed fabric, needs to be converted into a garment. So all these processes which are involved in doing these activities are taught in this department. So it's just not about designing. We do not offer any designing program. It's basically a textile engineering program as well as a textile science program, where we give the knowledge from fiber to the garment. And if we talk about in general, textile engineering department has good links with the industry. So with the support of the industry, we have been able to organize 4 international conferences. The first one was organized in March 2014, and it was followed by the 3 other conferences in February 2016, January 2018, and March 2020. The national event of DICE was also organized in March 2020 along with the conference. We are planning to organize 5th International Textile Conference in November 2022. So this is how we look into that this department also got some international linkages with different professors of the world. So certainly we have been able to organize a conference after every 2 years. So these are some glimpses of the conferences being photographed on this. Then we talk about internships and other industrial linkages. This department has a lot of linkages with the industries. We offer internships to the students which are mandatory. We arrange the internships for the students at the level of 3rd year from the departmental platform. We also have a committee which is responsible of arranging the internships. The department has established internal industrial liaisons and outreach programs to collaborate with the industry and professional organizations. Our experienced established alumni spread throughout the industry plays a pivotal role in the mutually beneficial liaison. So you can see a series of industries where we offer the internships and undergrad projects on a regular basis. If we talk about the placement of students, department organizes 2 events. One is called the career seminar or a career seminar is being organized by the department every year, where we invite the professionals from different industries to have a discussion with the students. Along with the career seminars, we also organize industrial visits. We also invite the guest speakers from different industries to come in and have an interaction with the students. Basically, our yearly job fair, we also offer a job fair every year. We invite different industries. In 2022, there are about 6 to 7 industries who are visiting in the month of September to conduct the on-campus interviews of the graduates. So we make sure that the first job of the graduates is obtained from this platform of the department. So these are some glimpses of the career seminars being organized and job fairs being organized department. Similarly, we have been able to arrange some exchange programs. So we had an exchange program with Tianjin Polytechnic University at the faculty level as well as at the student level. We have recently had an student exchange program under the Erasmus European Union project, where 3 students have got the opportunity to go for internship to different European countries. And also this department has linkages, have MOUs with different international universities. So as we talk about the overall job prospects, basically there are students who can get jobs in the area of production, the product development, sourcing, compliance, marketing, merchandising. So everywhere in different fields of Pakistan, in different fields of textiles, the students have the possibilities of getting a job. Uh, in the end, I would also say that uh, no, in fact, I would also say that uh, the common questions as far as the female students are concerned, they can get the job in merchandising, in marketing, in quality control, in compliance. All these areas, there is a possibility of getting a job for the female students. So females are also encouraged to get into this department. Uh, We also have some extracurricular activities such as uh, we organize Independence Day celebration. There are some picnics as well. There is a cricket tournament. There is sometimes a sports week as well. There is an having spring festival is being organized at the university level, and there are some annual events as well. So these are few pictures showing some involvement of the students in different events. So I'm really thankful to you for listening to this, but there are a few common questions which are being asked on a common practice. The first question which is normally asked by the department is, what's the basic difference between engineering and a sciences program? The basic difference between engineering and sciences program is that in the engineering program, the engineering courses such as thermodynamics, such as basic electrical engineering, such as engineering mechanics are being offered. So these we offer courses related to the field of textiles, as well as the courses related to the field of engineering are being offered in the engineering program. However, in the sciences program, the courses are more process focused. So we offer courses. For example, if I say that we have one course of yarn manufacturing in engineering program, but we have two courses of yarn manufacturing in sciences program. So basically, the sciences program is more focused towards textile courses. The second difference between these programs is that Pakistan Engineering Council, we have a program of OBE, outcome based education in the engineering field, which is internationally recognized by the Washington Accord and the PEC. However, our non-engineering program, that is Bachelor's of Textile Science program, is recognized by the Higher Education Commission. So these are the common questions which are being asked um, by the people during the open day. So I wanted to answer those questions. I'm really thankful to you for listening to this video and looking at it. And if you have any questions, you can again contact the department. I'm again thankful to you, and I wish you that most of you would join this university and become the prospect students of our university. Thanks a lot.